Reasons for using run-to-failure maintenance, Part 1. Probability of failure. Some equipment types fail more often with increasing age. This could result from wear and tear. Others fail more often when they are new. This could be due to manufacturing defects or incorrect installation. These different types of equipment failure patterns can be shown graphically. There are other types of failure patterns too. These were discovered during the investigation that led to the development of reliability-centered maintenance, or RCM. Run-to-failure should be considered for those types of equipment where the conditional probability of failure remains low with increasing time. These include equipment items that have failure probability curves. Low equipment criticality. Equipment that has a low criticality could also be considered for run-to-failure maintenance. Your light bulb on the factory roof, for example, will not cause a threat to life, nor have a significant impact on company profits. This light bulb could, therefore, be subject to a run-to-failure maintenance regime. You may have other equipment types that do not have safety or profit implications should they fail. These too could be candidates for run-to-failure maintenance.